Susindro emphasized that an NRC update before the census operation is a vital need for the state. Speaking at the Patriots Day observance organized by BJP, Kurai Mandal and Susindro Foundation at Kurai Popular School ground, the MLA further cautioned that the state would face severe consequences if the census precedes the NRC update. Susindro also reminded that a resolution to implement NRC in the state was passed in the Manipur Legislative Assembly during the N. Biren-led government. He said that he fully endorses the public demand for updating NRC before holding census in the state. Emphasizing the significance of the Patriots Day observance, Susindro maintained that it is an imperative responsibility for the present generation to uphold the territorial integrity handed down by their forefathers. He also urged the youth to remember the struggles made by the Anglo-Manipur War heroes and ancestors in defending their motherland.
Asmaina mo makata ba ko na tawri ba sina maram mo ka na tung da hawro liba generation singna ako sumba potama matamama ako sumba ma thoki ba todo ke Manipur se sumba todo thoki ha ja ko gi tung da hawro liba na ha sini he na khang na wi da ta ko sumba patriotic song competition je pa ko ni se ismai sum na ha jing se tung da hawro liba na ha jing sina su he na tam jaw na ba lebang ning wi wa khlon che ko kunamak ti chen da ka le na traga di ako Manipur se ja Maruina, Havatare, Akoi, Lady indigenous people singer, Akoi says that Lazariba Hana the yellow me, Havatare, yellow me, Jinjoji, Saidanga, Labagimo, the live say, Masi Sumba, watching Setora Ganda, Mokoida, Tongan, but Yunama, Soidana, Tung the whole Manahas in the Soidan Lakani, Ibagi, Adum Acheva Taja Ganda, when Sumba was in the Tori man, I hiding Edona from the whole liver in the soup. So, what alone,